Hi there. Well, today I want to show you a very fun, if not simple, way to dress up your zipper pockets in your linings. I've shown you previously how we attach the facing to the lining piece. It is sewn face down. We are sewing the top and the bottom line. We're not sewing the two end lines. And then we have drawn our diamonds on the end as a cutting point for a reference. So I'm going to go ahead and just fold this in half. This is how I do it. Get out my nice Kai scissors, and we're going to cut just a starting point down the center. You can actually cut further than that if you've aligned it properly, which I'm confident I have. And we're going to go ahead and keep on cutting down the line up to the tip of where the drawn V line. And then we're going to cut that line to the stitch line, but not into it. You've done this before. And we're going to repeat it with this side. Come over here and we'll finish this one. And what we're going to do is take this to the ironing board, we typically do, and we're going to pull our facing to the back. Now typically your facing is going to be the same color as your lining so that it doesn't peek out accidentally. In this case, we want it to peek out, and not a little bit, but enough so that it appears to either be like faux piping, or if you left a substantial amount, it could look like a faux welt. So it's up to you how much facing you want to show. It's a fun little technique. It adds a little bit more pizzazz to your lining. So I'm going to go to the machine and press this. I'll come back and show you. You will need, of course, your finished zipper pocket piece, which I have also shown you before. This is just like that. So let me go do my pressing, and then I'll come back and show you the magical pocket. All right, we're back from the ironing board, and I've pressed my facing to the back like normal, but I've left about a 1/16 of an inch facing to show. I'll show you on top of a zipper so that you can see it better. And that's it. It's going to be really pretty. Elevate your lining just a little bit more than the standard zipper facing, and super easy to do. And like I said, you could increase that facing amount showing, and it could give the appearance of almost a welt pocket, but this is more like a piping. So that's it for today. I'll be doing more videos in the future to help you learn more tips and tricks. Have a great day, everyone.